Introducing the unique multi-sharp 2-in-1 drill bit and tool sharpener. Now you can sharpen your drill bits and tools so they work the way they should. Simply fix the locating foot to your workbench. The sharpener attaches to your drill in seconds. And away you go. The precision guide sets the angle for accurate sharpening over the grinding wheels for the sharpest edge every time. HSS twist drill bits on the aluminium oxide wheel. Masonry bits on the silicon carbide wheel. Even complex wood bits. And also screwdrivers, cold chisels, and a whole range of small tools. Sharp drills and tools when you need them with Multi-Sharp, the sharpening specialists.